Hi everyone, this is Amy. I just got my 4th Misfits Market order and this is another customized box. So we're gonna open it together. But first I wanna thank you all for supporting the channel. It means so much to me that so many of you have subscribed. It really helps other people find the channel so we can grow together. And if you haven't yet subscribed, it's not too late. You could just hit that subscribe button and then click on the bell icon right next to it. That way you'll always receive a notification when I upload a new video. So let's get into the box. This is the Madness box. It's the larger of the boxes and it's all organic. Two ice packs. I'll take a shot inside the box for you guys so you can see how it looks. Everything's kind of thrown in here. I really wish they would package this stuff a little bit better. We have some arugula, and this has a Best Buy date of October 1st. Today is September 21st, so that's awesome. This will keep for a while. Some red leaf lettuce. This is Virginia grown hydroponic. And it has a mesh back. Greenhouse grown, keep refrigerated, leave roots on until serving. Organic living lettuce. And there is no Best Buy date on this one. I got the microgreens again. This has a Best Buy date of September 26th. And it's actually a use by, not a Best Buy. It is a small container, but I loved this last time I got it. So I decided to add it on again. Some more red leaf lettuce. It's funny. This one has 2 in it. This one only has 1. Maybe there's another one somewhere in there. I don't know, but this is the same. This is the Virginia grown with the mesh back. And these are pears. One of them came with the cage on it, and one of them didn't. It feels very cool, though. Oh, nice and cool. These are pears. They look like apples, but they are pears. They're not Misfits. This is what they're supposed to be. I forget the name of the pears. Two apples, and I had thought I had stopped apples because we have so many apples and we don't really eat a lot of apples here. So I thought I had taken these off, but maybe I didn't, or maybe there wasn't another option. I don't remember, but we have 2 apples and they look normal. A baby zucchini. This is nicked up a little bit, but otherwise it's pretty good. And it's not really a baby, it's just a small zucchini. We have 2 pretty massive green leaf lettuces. Wow, this is huge. This is very, very huge. Wow. They look pretty good, nice and fresh. They're cool. And there's a feather on it. I'm not sure about that, but that's random. There better not be something in here like a bird. I'll be really upset. Some more of the small zucchini, and these are a little nicked up too, but they should be fine if I use them right away. I finally got my scallions. Ooh, and they're falling. Last time they substituted onions, so I wound up with all those white onions, remember? And I made an onion soup. If you missed that, I'll link it right here and also in the description down below. But we have scallions. Yay! We have some more apples, and these are Crips pink apples. We have some organic cilantro. This looks really nice and fresh. Strawberries. These look a little not so great. Now they did package it in cardboard to prevent the smushing, but it looks like they got smushed anyway. They're a little pressed up against the top of the box. They're wet and gross inside. Yuck. It's a little wet in there. Yeah, these are not good. Look at that. I'm going to have to let them know about that. Some Italian parsley, not to be confused with the cilantro. Golden beets. These look nice. These are a little misshapen, but that's fine. Beets are like that. Some very small delica squash. I guess it's delicate. I figured I'd try this. This is a chai concentrate. Oh, it's slimy. Ooh, it leaked. Or something leaked. No, I think it's that. Ooh, so this leaked. Yikes. I'm going to put this right in the garbage. Now I've got that all over me. Yuck. Celery. This could be better. This is a little beat up and looks like it maybe has seen better days. Look at that. Look at that giant beet with the beet greens. Look at this. It's huge. That's a huge beet. Some more, another golden beet without the beet greens. And yet another golden beet without the greens. Lots of lemons. I think this is a spaghetti squash. I'm going to have to check my order. But I think this is spaghetti squash. Wow. This is a lot more than I got. If you saw that video the other day with Farm Box Direct, this is a much better value. Lots more. A tiny pomegranate. I expected this to be bigger, but it makes sense because Misfits is Misfits that it might be smaller. But we have 3 of them. More lemons. Ginger. See, everything has the chai stuff on it that leaked. So I'm going to have to wipe, well, I wiped it all off anyway because we're still doing sanitation protocol, as you know, but I'm going to have to definitely get this wiped off. We also have gluten-free brownie mix. The ingredients in this are sugar, so not so great already. Gluten-free flour blend. Yeah, I'm not even going to go through the rest of this because this is not the best ingredients, but your choices are pretty limited when you're dealing with gluten-free. And we have cornbread mix and muffin mix. Let's see, how are these ingredients? Where are the ingredients? Oh, it's at the top. Okay. Not the greatest because it doesn't say organic or non-GMO, and you kind of have to really pay attention to that with corn. And there's cane sugar in here, so not the greatest. So my sink is now overflowing. My sink is overflowing with produce. Look at this. All of this for around $50. So what do you guys think? Is this worth what I paid for it? And I will, of course, contact Misfits and let them know about the strawberries and the chai tea concentrate that exploded all over everything. But what do you think? Is this worth around $50? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you've tried Misfits Market and what you think of it. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. And while you're at it, remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it so you never miss a video. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. This is Amy. I'll see you real soon. Bye.